Just as with Houdini and 3ds Max, once we have created our UV mapping, we are going to need to get our model out of the Blender application and into Unreal. And as I don't have any UVs applied to this version of the model, let's, with our scene open and with the UV editing layout selected, move our mouse over the 3D view and press the Tab key. Inside the Shading/UVs tab, let's click on the drop-down and choose the Smart UV Project option, after which we can click OK. This just gives us some quick and dirty UV mapping with which we can work. After changing back to the default layout, we can come to the Data tab for our object and click the plus button for our UV maps. This creates a second map channel for us by using the existing mapping, meaning we will now have ready-made light map UVs in Unreal. We can then come to the File menu, expand the Export Flyout, and then choose the FBX option. As there are obvious scale differences between Blender and Unreal, let's set the scale value here to 0.25. Come to the Geometries tab and set the smoothing drop-down to Face. And then, once we export our mesh, we can import it into Unreal just as we will with our 3ds Max version in the very next chapter. Knowing how to get models out of our DCC applications and into Unreal means that no matter what our application of choice, we can put handcrafted UVW mapping to good use inside our visualization projects.